Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to stop Windows Update. The very first step is for you to go and make your Wi-Fi meter. So I'll search Wi-Fi settings, then I click on Wi-Fi settings, then simply click on the Wi-Fi. In my case, I'm connected to this network, so I click on it. Then down here, I simply turn on the metered, set the connection as metered. This will stop Windows from automatically updating your your PC when you are connected to a better network. You have to set you have to set this. You have to change setting for all the connections uh, you are using. So if you want to maybe to have like 5 different Wi-Fi, you can always go ahead and set as metered. But this will only stop on that specific Wi-Fi or hotspot. So what we can do to make it stop updates, we can either pause them or we can stop some updates. So I go back to my settings, then I check search for updates, then I click on check updates. So in my case I've already paused updates. In your case you can pause updates for more 7 days. So imagine you want to pause your updates for more than 7 days, you can, because here I've only paused for 7 days. So if you want to pause for more than 7 days, you can click down on advanced options, and then you can pause updates to a certain date. Okay, and I think they give you 1 month of updates. Okay, 1 month. So I'll click on the last date, and I think uh up to 35 days. So you can pause your updates up to 35 days. When you reach that the possibility your device will get, you need to get new updates before you can pause again. So this can stop the updates, and once you are connected to a better network, this would auto update to your machine. That's one way of doing it, and this is the recommended way of doing it from Microsoft. So you have seen how you can set your machine, set your Wi-Fi to be metered, and also pause Windows updates. So the next step is is to to disable the Windows updates permanently. So the very first step is for you to change some of the, how you call it, the group policies from Windows. So simply go ahead and the search menu, search for group policy, and of course to show you edit group policy. If it doesn't show you this edit group policy, you can simply search for G, GP edit. Okay, you want to search for GP edit, and to show this, once you finish to show you this, you can simply uh, press Ctrl R to give you this menu here. I can just put GP edit dot MSC. Then it will of course now bring on this group policy. So you can search for group policy, and then you have search for group policy. You simply don't go to computer to user configuration, but go to computer configuration, and then you go to administrative templates. Okay, then you go to Windows components. Then scroll down at the bottom. Here at the bottom, there should be Windows updates. Windows updates. So let's say second last one. So you click on Windows updates. Then it will show you this. Okay, to show you this menu. Can I make it a bit smaller? So just go down and search. I see that say you all this enable updates, allow updates. So what you want to do, you want to look at you look for configure automatic updates. Click on it, okay, and then now click on it. Okay, then you can change from disabled. Okay, if you change from disabled, then you apply. Okay, then you press OK. So this will stop Windows updates.